Your kitchen is the heart of your home. Protect it with knowledge. Every meal we cook is an act of love. But what if the very oil we use to prepare our meals is putting our health at risk? Let's uncover the hidden dangers of reheated cooking oil and how you can protect your family. Meet the Johnson family. Like many of us, they cherish their time together, sharing meals cooked with love. But what they don't know is that the oil used to fry their favorite dishes could be hiding harmful secrets. Reusing cooking oil might seem economical, but each time it's reheated, it breaks down, forming toxic compounds like aldehydes. These harmful substances are linked to cancer and neurodegenerative diseases. Repeated heating also increases the levels of free radicals, causing oxidative stress and cellular damage. Additionally, reheated oil can produce TransFats, which are harmful to cardiovascular health, raising the risk of heart disease. Mrs. Johnson learns about the dangers and decides to make a change. She discovers that consuming unhealthy oils can lead to serious health issues like cardiovascular problems, digestive disorders, and chronic inflammation. Total polar compounds, TPC, measure the degradation of oil during frying. As oil heats, it breaks down, producing harmful substances. The acceptable limit for TPC, set by the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, FSSAI, is 25%. Oil exceeding this limit should not be used for cooking. Following the FSSAI guidelines, she discovers the RUCO initiative, which encourages the collection and conversion of used cooking oil into biodiesel, contributing to a healthier planet and a healthier family. By monitoring cooking oil, maintaining proper temperatures, and discarding oil after use, we can significantly reduce the potential health hazards associated with reheated oils. The choices we make in our kitchens can protect our families. Let's choose health over convenience. Monitor your cooking oil, discard it after use, and support initiatives like RUCO. Together, we can make a difference. Share your thoughts in the comments and follow us for more insights. Your family's health is worth it. Food safety alert: there has been a recent food safety alert regarding the improper reuse of edible oils and the lack of proper record keeping. This includes concerns about the use of magnesium silicate synthetic, a food additive not permissible under FSSAI standards, to purify used oils. Ensuring compliance with these standards is essential for food safety. FSSAI, ensuring safe and nutritious food for all.